I ain't want to scare y'all off at first, so how y'all doing, fine? But today, I want to go a little deeper. Kick my shoes off. I'm going to go a little deeper. If you didn't know, whole world is run by sound and frequency. Everything is surrounded by sound and frequency. Now, if you don't know about Nikola Tesla, if you never seen or read the documentary of Nikola Tesla, stop this video and go back and check him out. Come back and holler at me. Because this might, you might miss this one, fam. Real deal Holyfield. You know what I'm saying?